What kind of presence was there of Akamai there, and what kind of discussions you folks had with the attendees?
It's interesting going out, and a lot of our engagement with the media was around our research coming out with the API. You know, API is newer. There's a lot of challenge around discovering API because we have zombie APIs that were put out and forgot about. We have rogue APIs where somebody, or ghost APIs where somebody went out and purchased something or published a capability without going security controls. We still have the normal set of web pages out there. We have people hitting our APIs with DDoS attacks. And so a lot of this is, if you go look at our State of the Internet report, insights on, you can go back and look at the research and say, okay, now that I understand this risk, have I made the right mitigation decisions for my infrastructure based on, certain aspects of my infrastructure going down? And then, our discussions with customers continue to see them slowly moving into large language models being valuable and how to protect them. I mean, and it really kind of maps back to that OWASP thought process of OWASP had a top 10 vulnerabilities for web pages, then for APIs, now for large language models. And when you see those are the kind of things Akamai is moving to protect because the industry is moving to make those more and more important, which means there are bigger and bigger impacts on you. And then at the end of the day, we're understanding on what we should be able to do to protect people if everything breaks down through segmentation. But that's just a high level look.